Today, we're in the right front passenger side floor area of this 2006 Chevy Impala, and we're going to replace the blower motor resistor. As you can see here, we've got a new harness that came along with this. This is a common problem on these where the connector melts, causes damage to the blower motor resistor and or the blower motor. So it's very important, if it comes with it, we're going to go ahead and replace it. You'll notice we've also got a blower motor here as well. So we've already gone through the diagnostic process. We've verified our powers, grounds, and the control input from the HVAC control unit to the blower motor resistor. We're going to go ahead and replace the resistor itself, the connector, and then I'm going to go ahead and replace the blower motor as well. Just good practice to do them both at the same time. So the first step in this removal process is to remove the hush panel here. And so we've got a couple little pins holding this in, plastic push pins. And so using a pocket screwdriver or a pick, I'm able to pop those loose, and then we'll drop this out and we'll be able to see the blower motor and the resistor itself. There, now with the hush panel removed, we can see our components. So first thing, I'm going to pinch the electrical connector here on the resistor, and I'll slide the connector out of the way and get that up here. You know, I might as well just disconnect it from the blower motor as well, because remember, we're going to be replacing this particular connector. So up in the dash here, I'm actually going to cut the wires. Then I'm going to splice in my new connector, and when we're all done, I'll install my new connector both to the resistor and to the blower motor. So I'll use a pick to help release it there, and we can get this up out of our way. So now, as we can see the resistor back there, I'm just going to take my 1/4 inch ratchet with a swivel, access the bolts here, and there's just 2 bolts holding this in place, one on either side of it. So might be a little tricky to get at, but we'll remove both of them. You can see somebody's been in here before, and one of these was already loose, and that might be part of the issue with somebody not doing the complete job previously. It can certainly damage the unit. That's why it's important to replace the blower motor and the resistor at the same time. Now we can see a couple of these cooling fins here on the unit, and we've removed the gasket with it. Again, we verify that there's no debris in the unit. It's nice and dry, no water contamination. Then we'll take our new unit. Notice we've got some additional heat sinks there, and our unit came with a gasket. So I'm going to remove the protective cover here, and I will install the gasket on my new resistor. And then I'm going to slide it into place. So there's a couple alignment tabs. I'll use the bolt holes, the appropriate bolt holes, get up there in place, and then we will replace the blower motor and the connector, and then we'll verify that the thing is working properly. All right, you can see we've got our resistor in place. We've gone ahead and replaced the blower motor as well, and we've got our new harness installed here. Now I just need to install the hush panel again and verify that the blower motor and resistor work evenly and quietly in every speed. And just like that, we're done. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to replace the blower motor resistor on this 2006 Chevy Impala.